Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're playing Destroy the Island again. This time will be using this plane. This time I will succeed in using it. You guys ready? Let's begin. Flying the plane. Let's hope this plane doesn't explode. And there's the target right there. Our goal is to destroy the building. Let's do this. Now let's go high up and drop a bomb onto the building. Actually, you know what? That won't work. So, let's go down. And my plane just exploded. Well, let's destroy the building anyways. I don't need that stupid plane. Hey! Okay. Maybe I could use a helicopter instead. Now come on, let's get on the helicopter before it burns too. Well, the building is burning down. Let's wait for it to burn down entirely. Oh, no. Let's do some skydiving. Ready, set, go! Let's see how far I can jump. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where did I just get sent? How do I get back? This way. Well, the building is burning down, guys. So I think I might have to end the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.